Hello, my name is Jung Kim, and I'm the director and CEO of the New Britain Museum of American Art, one of, if not the oldest museums of American art in the country. As part of Women's History Month, we honor the invaluable contributions of women to the arts, while also acknowledging their disproportionately low representation in fine art museum collections and exhibitions. Although women make up 50% of the American population, artworks by women comprise only 14% of most museum collections on average. In an effort to increase representation and diversity in our galleries, the New Britain Museum of American Art has celebrated female identifying artists through our 2020 20 Plus Women at NBMAA initiative, launched in January of 2020 on the centennial of women's suffrage in America. This initiative is made possible through the generosity of our presenting sponsor, Stanley Black & Decker, with additional support provided by Bank of America. As part of the initiative, the New Britain Museum of American Art has dedicated all special exhibitions throughout 2020 and into 2021 to groundbreaking and visionary American artists who happen to be women. Despite challenges presented by the COVID-19 pandemic, we have installed 7 major exhibitions, including Kara Walker, Harper's Pictorial History, Annotated, In Thread and On Paper, Annie Albers in Connecticut, Anything But Simple, Shaker Gift Drawings and the Women Who Made Them, Lights, Camera, Ellen Carey at the Delamar Hotel, and Someday Is Now, Women, Art, and Social Change. As well as our current exhibitions, New Now, Chantel Martin, and Helen Frankenthaler, Late Works, 1990 to 2003. In May of this year, we will open the 8th and final official exhibition of our 2020 initiative entitled New Now, Jennifer Wen Ma, and Inward Sea. I hope that you've had an opportunity to experience and enjoy these significant exhibitions virtually or on-site. In addition to our exhibitions, we have also reinstalled our permanent collection galleries to highlight more women and artists of color, with special exhibitions dedicated to contemporary photographers, modern masters, and forthcoming next month, leading illustrators. While we initially aspired to show the work of 20 women artists as part of our initiative, we have already shown well over 200 women and female identifying artists. Finally, as part of our long-term commitment to representing women artists, we are thrilled to announce the museum's purchase of 17 important works by 12 celebrated women artists over the last year. All acquisitions were made possible through the use of museum endowment funds devoted exclusively to the purchase of art. Featuring sculptures, photographs, prints, and paintings, these significant acquisitions include work by some of the most pioneering leaders of American art, many of whom have never been exhibited at the NBMAA and were not previously presented in the museum's collection. Purchases include work by internationally celebrated artists, including the Guerrilla Girls, Betty Saar, Carrie Mae Weems, Colleen Smith, Chantel Martin, Faith Ringgold, Ellen Carey, Ana Mendieta, Stephanie Sujuko, Martine Gutierrez, Elizabeth Catlett, and Annie Albers. In addition to their art historical importance, these purchases contribute significantly to the diversity of the NBMAA's permanent collection by reflecting a variety of historical periods, artistic mediums, and cultural perspectives. Moreover, through these acquisitions, the NBMAA has doubled the number of Black and African American female artists, increased significantly the number of Asian American female artists, and tripled the number of Latin American female artists represented in our permanent collection. The works enhance the New Britain Museum of American Art's ability to reflect diverse and inclusive notions of American art and history for the benefit and the enjoyment of our visitors for generations to come. We thank you, our funders, trustees, staff, volunteers, and community partners. for joining us in celebrating women in the arts this month and every month. I look forward to welcoming you to the museum very soon. Thank you.